This week, something happened at Camp Nou that fans have never seen before. The entire stadium lit up in a full LED test, turning a construction site into a sci-fi light show. But that's just the beginning. From VIP tiers racing skyward to hidden underground networks taking shape, Barca's future is being built fast, and we're closer than ever to kickoff. Massive pillars are arriving, roof prep is starting, and one misstep underground could collapse entire sections. This is your weekly front row seat to Camp Nou's rebirth. Every beam, every bolt, and every breakthrough cue. I'm your host, and this is Megalomaniac Stadiums. Let's dive into the stadium's transformation. Last night, Camp Nou lit up like never before. For the first time ever, the club ran a full-scale LED lighting test, and it looked insane. From the floodlights to the ad boards, the entire system pulsed in Barca blue and violet. From the sky, it looked like a neon halo. From the ground, pure magic. 1 year ago, this place was a skeleton of concrete and steel. Now, it's glowing. And it's not just about lights. The VIP ring is exploding with progress. New beams are in, Alvalola slabs are locking in overnight, and even Gol Sur and Gol Norte are starting to take form. Concrete's drying, scaffolding is dropping, rebar is getting prepped. It finally feels like the bowl is closing in. Now, let's talk about the diamonds. No, not the luxury kind. We're talking about those sharp, futuristic geometries near the entrances, cafes, and the Barca store. The Barca store. Diamond? They are fully exposed now. Escalators are visible, hidden doors are taking shape. The ticket office diamond, rebars going vertical. These aren't just pretty structures, they're the gateways to underground parking and fan zones. And the precision is wild. Every angle is custom fit like a giant concrete puzzle. Inside the structure, it's getting ready for the final touches. Seating units are being finished, railings installed, and staircases adjusted. Gaps between prefab units getting filled. One key section behind the portcullis now shows electrical and ceiling work wrapping up, plus test runs for those same LED lights we saw outside. Even the LED ad boards are glowing in neon green. The testing mode is on. And yes, the roof isn't arriving until summer 2026. But that's not stopping them, because this fall, Camp Nou is aiming to host matches. Now let's go underground. Beneath the maternity wing, 3 new concrete pads just appeared. That is part of the planned 3,500 parking spots. But here's the challenge. Excavators are dancing around giant anchors that hold the retaining walls in place. Dig too fast, and the soil could collapse. So it's dig a bit, anchor, repeat. Oh, and the biggest surprise of the week? A massive new pillar just rolled in at G-Nord. And it's ready to go up. Which means roof trusses may not be far behind. Cranes are staging, safety gear is out, platforms are shifting. This isn't just progress, it's final assembly mode. So what's happening right now? VIP tiers are rising like wildfire. Prefab stands are locking into place. The iconic diamond structures are almost complete. Parking is getting paved. And the roof? It's finally starting to show signs of life. September is still the return goal, but don't expect the final form yet. The roof, LED bars, and complete fan areas are all being pushed to 2026. Still, Camp Nou is no longer a shell. It's becoming a stadium again. And if this week is any sign, we're just getting started. Subscribe to Megalomanics for weekly Camp Nou updates. Every milestone, every test run, every hidden corner, brought to life.